So today we are going to discuss about Fiverr. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a global online marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed, from which it gets its name. The site is primarily used by freelancers who use Fiverr to offer services to customers worldwide. So now we will discuss how does it works. After you set up your account on Fiverr, you set up your offerings called gigs. This is the least amount of work you are willing to do for $5. As you improve your reputation on Fiverr, you will advance in levels and be able to offer gig multiples and gig extras. So now here we are going to discuss the different categories that are offered by Fiverr. So it includes graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, advertising, business, fun and lifestyle. So now we are going to discuss the different subcategories of the categories that I have discussed here. The graphic and design includes logo design, business cards and stationery, illustration, cartoons and flyers and posters, book covers and packaging, web and mobile design, social media design, banner ads, Photoshop editing, 3D and 2D models, t-shirts, presentation design, infographics, vector tracing, invitations. Digital marketing includes social media marketing, SEO, illustration, web traffic, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, search and display marketing, marketing strategy, web analytics, influencer marketing, local listings, domain research, mobile advertising, and e-commerce marketing. Next is writing and translation includes resume and cover letters, proofreading and editing, translation, creative writing, business copywriting, research and summaries, articles and blogs, press releases, transcription, and legal writing. Video and animation includes a whiteboard and explainer videos, intros and outros, promotional and brand videos, editing and post-production, lyric and music videos, spokesperson and testimonials, animated characters and modeling. Music and audio includes voiceover, mixing and mastering, promotional and brand videos, producers and composers, songwriters, session musicians and singers, jingles and drops, and sound effects. Programming and tech includes WordPress, website builders and CMS, web programming, e-commerce, mobile apps and web, desktop applications, support and IT, data analysis and reports, convert files, databases, user testing. Next is advertising includes music promotion, radio, banner advertising, flyers and handouts, and pet models. The business category includes a virtual assistant, market research, business plans, branding services, legal consulting, financial consulting, business tips, presentations, and career advice. The fun and lifestyle includes online sessions, arts and crafts, relationship advice, health, nutrition and fitness, astrology and readings, spiritual and healing, family and genealogy, and viral videos. The next are the different levels. So here are the different levels. Fiverr level includes new seller, level 1, level 2, and top sellers. The new seller includes 7 active gigs, 2 gig extras, 5 gig multiples, send custom offer, and extra fast delivery. The next is the level 1 requirements are includes 15 active gigs, extra fast delivery, can send custom offers up to $1,500, 4 gig extras, and includes 10 gig multiples. Next are the level 2 includes 20 active gigs, means user can create up to 20 gigs. It includes also includes extra fast delivery. User can also send custom offers. It includes 5 gig extras It may be of $5, $10, $20, $40 or $50 depending on the user, and also includes 15 gig multiples. And also major advantage of level 2 is includes priority customer support. Now next is the top rated requirements. Includes 30 active gigs, means user can create up to 30 gigs. It includes 6 gig extras. It includes $5, $10, 20, 40, 50 and up to $100 gig extras. Also includes the 20 gig multiples. Send custom offer. User can easily create his or own custom offers, and includes extra fast delivery. Now next we are going to discuss the different payment methods that a user or any seller can use to withdraw the payment. It includes PayPal, Bank or Pioneer MasterCard or Fiverr Revenue Card. So next question is how much any seller can earn from Fiverr monthly. So here we can discuss the different pros and cons of Fiverr. The pros of includes clean and clear website design, easy to navigate, easy to use. It also includes clear and easy to understand concept, means user can easily get the concept of the website. Active and fun community with supportive for you, means we can easily chit chat with the CS team of Fiverr. Make money doing something you love, means we can offer services that we or as a seller we are think that we have interest in this. Next are the different disadvantages or cons you can say of Fiverr. 20% revenue sharing with Fiverr. That's a pretty big fee for them to host your services. Other sites do it for less. Means there is a major disadvantage maybe that it includes 20% Fiverr deducts other service charges. So it maybe depends upon the user that may like or dislike that website. And next is the limited ways to get paid. Mostly relies on PayPal with additional fees. Means there are limited ways of withdrawing the payment. And so it can be improved if multiple payment methods can be added here. Next is the 14-day hold time on funds. Means this is a maybe a big drawback of the website, that it holds payment for 14 days. That much major issue for the sellers. Next is the automatically concept jobs, limited control for sellers. Means there are limited jobs for sellers, maybe due to more competition on Fiverr. No, that's end from my side. If you have any questions, you can discuss with me. Thanks.